first DIY, we're going to be making this gold floral arrangement, and for this you are going to need one of these glass jars, some faux flowers, and lastly some gold or metallic spray paint. So for this I just began by removing the actual flowers from the stem, and you're just going to easily pop those off. It is not difficult at all. And then the next step is going to be adding your spray paint. I went in with about 2 layers of this spray paint, and then after that you're going to remove the stems from the little bunch. I just use some scissors, cut away at the plastic, and then bend them back and forth, and they usually snap off relatively easily once you do this. Then once the flowers are dry, you want to pop them right back on to the top of the stems. That is all you have to do, and then just simply arrange them in your little glass jar, and you have this new floral arrangement. And I think the metallic paint just makes this look so much more expensive than being from the dollar store. For this next DIY, we're making this hanging jewelry organizer, and for this you are going to need one of these hanging hook racks, a hot glue gun, some of this rope, and lastly, which is optional, some spray paint if you want. I just decided to spray paint mine since all the walls in my place are white. I wanted a little bit of contrast, but I think this would look beautiful if you just left it white. So what I did was I knotted one end of the rope and hot glued it down, and then I saw exactly how long I wanted it to hang on the wall, snipped off the other end, and then again knotted that end. I felt like the knot just added a little bit more detail, and then again I'm going back in with that hot glue gun, adding a pretty large amount, and then going ahead and gluing down the other end of the rope. And now you have a cute new organizational piece for your room that only cost a few dollars. Another great tip I have when it comes to the dollar store, no matter which one you go to, you can always add spray paint to anything. My favorite is metallic, but adding a little coat of spray paint to the items at the dollar store will make them look so much more expensive. So here I just have this little frog, which is inspired by something that I saw in Anthropology that was a lot more expensive, but definitely keep that tip in mind for the next time you are shopping at your dollar store. And I think this little project is my favorite. It's a little crystal vintage inspired candle holder type of thing. So I found this bowl at the dollar store that looks so expensive, so I just added in a faux palm leaf, and then lastly I just dropped in one of my favorite candles. I think this makes an amazing candle holder. The light from the candle is going to reflect off all of the little indentations on that bowl, and it's going to look amazing. So those were all of my DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!